Let's face it, talking about a prenup is hard. Nobody wants to do it, and it often seems like planning the exit strategy before the marriage has even begun. But there are a lot of really good reasons to do it. I'm Catherine Miller. I've been a divorce and family lawyer for over 30 years, and here's what I've learned about divorce. I've learned that most people get divorced because of a failure of communication. Failure of communication leads to a misunderstanding between the people, and that misunderstanding leads to mistrust, and mistrust ultimately leads to contempt. And contempt is the fast road to divorce. The idea of the romantic prenup is to get ahead of that conversation and so that you understand how you relate to money and how your betrothed relates to money. You understand what your personal conflict pattern is, and you understand your betrothed conflict pattern and how it is that you work in conflict together. It might feel really familiar. I'm sure you've had conflict, but this way is understanding how you are programmed as individuals to resolve conflict and to deal with money, and also to figure out what that looks like when you put those two things together and you put the two of you together. Is that likely to result in a positive conversation or a difficult conversation? If you're like most people, those are difficult conversations, and the romantic prenup process is designed to give you an opportunity to talk about money, talk about the difficult conversations, talking about working, talking about savings, talking about credit, saving for education, taking time off to raise children, all of those things and more that come to be a problem for people in marriages. We then prepare a plan for you, how that's going to work to your marriage, and in the event that your marriage ends by divorce, what that would look like. All marriages end by death, even long, happy marriages, and so also planning for that ahead of time. But in the context of the whole marriage and the whole plan, the idea being that we're supporting your relationship going forward, giving you a place and a method for resolving conflict when it comes up with marriage. So if you're interested in learning more about the romantic prenup process, wondering how a prenup could actually support your marriage rather than detract or make it suspicious, click below, register for our upcoming romantic prenup workshop, and I look forward to meeting you there.